In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to connect your own 4K streaming box to a computer monitor like this one. You're not obligated to use a TV if you don't have one, so let me show you how it's done. So you're gonna take your streaming box, okay? And you're gonna notice on the front here, there's a USB plug, and on the back, there is an HDMI with a button. All you have to do, well, it's to use the USB plug that comes included in the box, connected in the front over here to give this unit some power. And the other end of this cable goes directly in your wall outlet. Now on this side, it comes included in the box with an HDMI cable, which is a good news. Take one end of the HDMI cable, connect it to the streaming box, and the other end of the cable, we need to connect it in the back of your monitor. Usually the ports are over here. As you see, this monitor in particular has a display port and an HDMI input. Plug it in the HDMI port. Oh, just like that. Power on your monitor. Usually you have a button over here on the back or on the side. And we need, in case you don't see anything appearing on your display, we need to put this monitor we need to set up this monitor inputs to HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, depending where you have connected the streaming box. So usually, again, depending on which brand you have, you're going to have some buttons on the side. You can click and select the input source, HDMI, or HDMI 1 or 2, depending if you have more HDMI ports. So over here, it's already HDMI. This is why you can see on the display the Google TV home screen. Now take your remote control, and if nothing is happening, okay, if when you click on the circle over here, nothing is happening, it means you need to pair this remote control with your own streaming box. You see there is a button beside the HDMI connector. You need to keep press this button 5 seconds. So take a look at the screen, release when you see something appearing. I'm pressing on the button. Okay, perfect. Now I can release it. And now to pair the remote control, you need to press these two buttons, home button and arrow button, both at the same time for 5 seconds. Keep it pressed. Like that. Wait a bit more. Here we go. Once you see the countdown, you can release when you get the check mark. And now your remote control will work, and yeah. You can now enjoy your own 4K streaming device on any screen, any computer monitors. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.